In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about another personal relationship right that we have, and it is you have the right to ask for information. Each one of us has the right to ask for information. This is very helpful in the sales process. Hey, listen, I've had people try to take advantage of me, and they will try to take advantage of you, and you have the right to ask them very direct questions and information like, why did you call me? What are you hoping I can do for you? How many other estimates have you have? What do you think that I can do for you that the other people couldn't do for you? Why do you want to talk to me? How can I help you? What do you want different? All these kinds of questions. You have the right to ask people for information. And if people don't like to give you information, that's a sign that they don't respect you. They don't respect your boundaries. But you have the right to ask people for information. So assert yourself and ask people for what you need to know. Hey, thank you. I hope this helped you, and God bless.